Buenos días, queridos alumnos de Cela Spanish School Online. In today's class, we will explain why the verb doler is used in Spanish in the third person, and we will talk about some similarities and differences with English. This video is part of the material of our teacher-assisted distance learning Spanish courses and is also available in other languages. Let's look at some sentences. Me duele la cabeza. My head hurts. Me duelen los pies. My feet hurt. In sentences with the verb doler, what hurts is the grammatical subject of the sentence. That is why we always find it in the third person. In English, it is the same. My feet hurts. Feet is singular, verb hurts. My feet hurt, feet plural, verb hurt. The word that changes with the verb is the grammatical subject of a sentence. In Spanish, me duele el pie. El pie singular. Duele singular. Me duelen los pies. Los pies plural. Duelen plural. Me is indirect object. If we literally translate the sentence from English, we would have me duele mi pie. But in Spanish, we say me duele el pie and not mi pie. Mi means to me, a mí, and it is indirect object. We will explain that in a minute. Me duelen los pies. Me duele el pie, me duelen los pies. Now we will explain why me. Me is the indirect object pronoun and does not change with the verb. It is to whom in English. Me duele la cabeza. Me duelen las piernas. The sentence changed to the plural, but me does not change because it is an indirect object pronoun. Literally in Spanish, we say something like, the head hurts to me. Sometimes we put the whole indirect object back in the sentence to emphasize. A mí me duele la cabeza. In this table, we have the indirect object pronouns for all persons. Me, te, le, nos, os, les. As in the sentence with doler, What hurts is the subject. The person that suffers is indirect object and has a in front. A Pedro le duele la cabeza. Now, as usual, we will do some exercises together. We will complete the following sentences with the indirect object pronoun and the appropriate form of the verb doler. A Jaime le duele la rodilla. A mi madre le duele la cabeza. A mí me duelen los dientes. A mi perro le duelen las patas. A nosotras nos duelen los pies. ¿A ti qué te duele? ¿A ustedes qué les duele? Muy bien, queridos alumnos. We are now ready to continue practicing with the distance learning course material. If you are not yet a CELA student and want to know more about our courses, we invite you to visit our website. Chao, hasta la próxima clase.